What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alva, and in this video I will be sharing with you a quick and easy recipe for making avocado protein shake. For people who are new to my channel, a huge welcome to each and every one of you. So I usually upload videos related to fitness every week. So if you want to excel in your fitness game and in your life, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload such informative videos every week. And for people who have been watching my videos for quite a long time now and haven't subscribed yet, guys, you also need to go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that you also get notified whenever I upload such informative videos. So I have been uploading a lot of videos on intermittent fasting and how does it help towards fat loss. So if you haven't checked those videos, I will be linking them in the description box below and also in the cards above. Make sure you watch those videos after completing this video. So now, without any further delay, let's get into the video. Now avocados have a lot of benefits. They are good for your heart, they are good for your vision. It also helps to improve your digestion and also lowers the risk of depression and many more benefits. So now without any further delay, let's see what are the ingredients required for making avocado protein shake. So the ingredients that are needed for making avocado protein shake include 1 avocado, 3 to 4 lychees, 1 scoop of whey protein. If you do not have whey protein, you can also add honey for taste. And then I have milk here, 350 ml of milk, but you can add more milk depending upon the consistency. At times avocados are big, so you can add more milk in order to make it thinner. So सबसे पहले we'll be cutting the avocado cut करेंगे. After cutting the avocado, एक स्पून लेके हम इसे जो एवोकाडो का वो जो अंदर का पार्ट है इसे हम निकालेंगे विद द हेल्प ऑफ द स्पून. हाँ, अब ठीक है. सो दिस इज हाउ वी रिमूव इट. So after removing the avocado, थोड़ा इसे कट कर देते हैं. एंड देन हम डालेंगे इसे इस ग्राइंडर में. तो एक्चुअली मेरा वो वाला मिक्सर चल रहा नहीं था, सो आई हैड टू रिप्लेस द मिक्सर. ये दूसरा वाला मिक्सर है, तो इसमें मैंने एवोकाडो और मिल्क डाल दिया है एंड नाउ आई विल बी ग्राइंडिंग इट. सो वंस दिस इज डन, हम इसमें थोड़ा इलायची डालेंगे क्योंकि इससे अच्छा टेस्ट आता है. सो आई विल बी पुटिंग 3 to 4 इलायचीज इन दिस. सो अलॉन्ग विद द इलायची हम इसमें 1 स्कूप वे प्रोटीन भी डालेंगे. सो ग्लास इज रेडी है एंड ये जाता है इसमें. So guys, this is the avocado protein shake and it tastes really yummy. You can try it at home and I'm sure you will definitely like it. Paul, did you like it?
Yes bro, this is like, I like this very much.
Actually ये recipe मुझे Paul ने ही बताई थी and so I shared it with you guys. This is Paul again. Make sure you try this avocado protein shake or avocado smoothie and I'm sure you will definitely love it. And share your feedbacks in the comment box below, and whenever you make it, make sure you tag me on Instagram on my ID, that is @GlacianAlva. And I'm done for this video. I will talk to you guys in the next video. Till then, stay safe, take care, much love. God bless you all.